Let's talk about how to fix lag on Nintendo Switch Online, because I know how annoying it is when your matches stutter. First thing, check your connection. Go into System, Settings, and then Internet, and then Test Connections. If your download and upload speeds are super low, that's the issue. Step 2. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to the router, or even better, use a LAN adapter to hardwire your Switch. That instantly cuts lag for most people. Step 3. Set your DNS manually. Pick your network, set DNS to manual, and try Google's and Cloudflare DNS. That helps with stability. Step 4. Close background apps or downloads. If something else is in your network is streaming or updating, it'll eat bandwidth and spike your ping. And last, sometimes it's not you. Nintendo servers or the other player's connection can cause lag. If you tried all this and it's still bad, test with another game to confirm. Do these steps and your Switch Online should feel way smoother. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.